Let me say something.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a really exciting video because it is about summer. Summer is one of my favorite holidays. Summer is literally one of my favorite seasons and it's coming up so soon. It's about to be spring, so I thought I would post this early so we can all start planning things that we want to do and everything like that. Before I get into this video, I do want to say that this video is a collab with my friend Megan. I'll have her channel linked down below. She is one of the sweetest people and one of my really good friends, so be sure to go check her video out after this one. But literally love her, and I'm sure you guys will love her channel as well because I do, so wanted to recommend her to you. But with all that being said, in this video I'm going to be telling you my summer bucket list. Now I do want to make the disclaimer that this is things that you would do post quarantine in a safe world, and what I'm saying is not necessarily what's going to happen. Right now in New Jersey, everything is starting to open up more and more, so these things could happen, but I am not saying that they will. I'm just saying that these are things that I would like to do, but obviously this may change if things do end up getting bad again. Just wanted to make that disclaimer that this bucket list is for after quarantine. So whether that be next year that it ends up happening or this year, depending on the state of the world, just wanted to make that disclaimer and make sure everyone understood why I'm even saying certain things on this bucket list. But with all that being said, I made a really cute little summer bucket list with about 60 things on it, and I'm just going to go through, tell you guys what I am planning to do this summer or next summer, depending on the state of the world. And with all that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing I have on my list is to work out 6 days a week. I do try to do this now, but in the summer, I just want to try to be more in the moment, if that makes sense, and kind of work out outside, do things that involve nature while working out. I think that would be really, really cool. So I want to try to do at least 3 outside workouts and at least 3 indoor workouts at Orange Theory a week. I think that'll be really cool and something different, and I always like change, so that's the first thing I want to do. Next is obviously probably not going to happen this summer just because of everything going on, but hopefully one time in the next 5 or so years, I would love to go to Hawaii. Hawaii is one of my favorite places, even though I've never been there. It just seems so magical and real, and I don't know, I want to experience it. So I do really want to go to Hawaii. Also, Hannah Malosha's there right now, and it seems like she's living the dream, so definitely want to see what that's like. The next thing I have on my list is to bike ride. I love bike riding so much. I think it's so fun, and especially when I'm at the beach and you can just go on a nice bike ride, see the ocean, have that like summer air hit your face. I don't know, I'm so excited for that as well. The next thing I have is to make friendship bracelets. So on Pinterest, the little phone charm has been trending, but it's so cute and I want to make that, and I also want to just make friendship bracelets. I think that they're so cute and so nice to wear in the summer with like a summer outfit. I don't know, I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait to make those with my friends. The next thing I have is to go on a road trip. Going on a road trip is legit one of my favorite things to do. I have road tripped to North Carolina and South Carolina before, and it is just so fun. I've also road tripped to Florida a couple years ago, and I don't know, it was so fun and I really like it, so I want to do that as well. I know that I am going on a road trip this year, so I'm so excited for that, and I'll probably vlog it if you guys want to see it. But literally one of my favorite things to do because you could just listen to music the whole time, kind of like jam out, and I don't know, it's just a really nice long drive that I like doing. The next thing I have is to go on a cruise. This again is if everything is, you know, okay, and this will probably happen in a few years from now, but going on a cruise ever since I was little was something I really wanted to do, so I'm so excited to see if I can do that in the future. I think that they're so fun and so exciting, and I think it's cool that you're on a boat, but you can literally do so many things that you would do on land, like go in the ocean, go in the pool, go to a restaurant. Like, I think that's so cool, but you're literally living on the ocean, so I'm so excited to one day do that. The next thing I want to do is pull an all-nighter. I think it would be really cool to do that with my friends this summer and just have a lot of fun with it. Maybe go on Target runs, go on long night drives and everything like that. The next thing I have is to watch the sunrise and the sunset. So the sunrise is one of my favorite things to watch in the morning because when I get up early early. It just makes me feel so productive, and it's just so pretty. And then the sunset is like a perfect end to the night with like ice cream. Oh my gosh, that would be such a cute date. Ice cream and watching the sunset. Oh my gosh, that would be like perfect. But I want to do that. Next, I want to go to Six Flags. For any of you who don't know what Six Flags is, it's an amusement park with roller coasters and everything like that. I don't know, it just sounds so fun, and I haven't gone in a really long time, so that's the next thing I want to do. Next is to watch the stars. I want to like lay on the grass at night with some of my friends and just watch the stars. I love watching the stars. I think it's so peaceful and so nice. So that's the next thing. The next thing I have is to go to breakfast or lunch or both with my friends. I love going out to get food. I think it's so fun, and I always like taking pictures when I go because, I don't know, I just think it's fun to document. So that's the next thing that I'm really excited to do. Going along with that, the next thing that I have is to have a picnic. Picnics are so cute, so Pinterest vibes, and I don't know, I'm so excited because I love picnics. I used to do this all the time with my grandma and with my friends when I was younger, and it was so fun, and I'm excited to start doing it again because, I don't know, it's just really fun. Next, I have to paint. So for painting, I want to do the body paint, a little Pinterest trend where you like paint on each other's backs, and then I also just want to paint in general. I really like painting, so I'm excited to do that. Next, I have learned to cook and bake new foods. So I love cooking, I love baking, I love trying new things. So I'm really excited to try out new recipes, and I will definitely film it if you guys want to see. What I want to do is kind of document my whole entire summer bucket list. So I want to film little parts of me completing my bucket list, and then at the end of the summer have like a huge summer bucket list video that is me like completing it. So hopefully I could do that for you guys. I think that would be really cool. The next thing I have is to go thrifting. I have never been thrifting before, and it's something that I've been wanting to do for so long. I've been wanting to make one of those thrift flipping videos so bad, so hopefully I can do that as well. Next, I have go to a baseball game. I love baseball games. It's probably one of my favorite things to do in the summer because it just gives me good vibes, and everyone loves good vibes. I feel like good vibes are just always a need, and it makes me really, really happy. So that's the next thing. Next, I have cliff jumping. Cliff jumping is something that I've wanted to do in this town where I live for so long, and I never went for some reason, and I'm definitely going to go either this year or next year, depending on the state of the world, with my friends because I think that would be so fun. Next, I have see the northern lights. This is something I wanted to do for so long, and me and my friend were talking about it at work, and he was like, no, this is like one of the only things on my bucket list. And I was like, you know what, that is so true. I want to see the northern lights so bad. So credit to him for reminding me of this, but literally want to do that so bad. Next, I have to meet influencers. This again is in a quarantine free world, and I don't know, I just really like meeting new people. I think that it's really cool to meet people that like the same things as you, and I don't know, I just want to meet new influencers, become friends with new people and everything like that. Next, I have go night swimming. Night swimming is just a vibe. It's just so fun, so peaceful. I just want to do it so bad. Next, I have go to the beach. I feel like this can't be a summer bucket list if I don't have go to the beach on it, so that's the next thing. Next, I have go hiking. Hiking is so fun, literally love it, and I don't know, even making this video is getting me in like summer vibes, and I'm so excited for it. Next, I have tie-dye slash DIY. So basically what I want to do is I want to tie-dye shirts and like blankets and pants and socks and everything like that, and I also want to do DIY crafts. So whether that be getting ideas off of Pinterest and doing stuff like that, or just using imagination and making DIY little things for my room or whatever it may be, I think that would be really, really fun as well. Next, I have to have a photo shoot. If you're one of my friends and you want to have a photo shoot, please text me. I love taking pictures, I love documenting, and I will have a photo shoot with you literally whenever you want. Even if it's 3 a.m. in the morning, text me. I will literally get ready and come have a photo shoot with you. Next, I have go shopping. Going shopping is just something that I have so much fun doing and that I'm so excited to do. Next, I have travel. I'm someone who really wants to travel the world. I'm not saying that that would happen. I'm not saying that I expect that to happen at all, but it's just one of my dreams that I have, and I would really like to travel more places, again, in a quarantine-free world. So I will wait until everything is safe, of course. Just want to keep putting that out there just in case people are skipping through the video. Next, I have go to a sunflower field. I went to a sunflower field filmed last year and it was so pretty, and the pictures that I got were so cute. So I'm definitely doing that again as well. Next, I have to try yoga. I have been trying to get into yoga for so long, and for some reason I just don't like it. And I know people are gonna be like, how do you not like yoga? But for some reason I just don't. So I'm going to try and make myself like yoga. Next, I have to go to a drive-in movie. Drive-in movies are just a vibe, especially if you like decorate your trunk. That is so cute. If anyone knows what I'm talking about off of Pinterest, when they decorate their cars and then they watch the movie, oh my god, so cute. Can't wait for that. Next, I have to buy dorm room stuff. Now, if you guys know I commute, but next year I'm actually living at school, so get ready for so much back to school content. Get ready for a back to school shopping with me, back to school dorm shopping with me, and a move-in vlog. Never got to do the move-in vlog before, and I'm so excited because I know all of you will love that as well. And I'm living at school next year with my best friend as long as everything continues to get a little better, so I am very excited about that. Next, I have to take Polaroids. I feel like this goes with photo shoots and taking pictures, but I just love documenting, like I said, and I'm so excited to, you know, actually take more pictures and live in the moment and then be able to look back on my life in a couple years and just remember how fun those days were and everything like that. Next, I have redo my room. I just redid my room, so I might not do this summer, but redoing my room and adding like little touches to it is always something that I really like to do, so I have that on here as well. Next, I have to take lots of pictures. Kind of goes along with the photo shoot and the Polaroid, but just wanted to put that on here as well. Next, I have to watch fireworks. I love watching fireworks, especially when there's like a show of fireworks. Whenever I go to Disney, they have like really cool fireworks at the end of the night, and that is so cute. I'm so excited for fireworks this summer. Next, I have to get tan. I just like going to the beach and tanning. I think it's fun. Next, I have to buy summer clothes slash sell clothes. So I want to sell a lot of my clothes on Poshmark, and I also want to buy some new summer clothes. The next thing I have is to do the color run. The color run is literally something I've been wanting to do since I was literally in elementary school, and I've never done it. But if you don't know what the color run is, it's basically you go on this like 5K run, or I don't know if it's actually 5K, but the one I wanted to do was 5K, and you kind of run and they throw colored chalk at you, and it just sounds so fun. And then when you come out of the color run and you complete it, you're like filled with different colors of chalk, so like blue, red, pink, literally all the colors, and it is so fun. And then you take these really cute pictures after, and I don't know, I think it's so fun, so cute, and honestly such cute pictures, so I want to do that as well. Next, I have go to a carnival. That's just something I felt like needed to be on this bucket list. Next, I have music festival. I love music festivals, they're so fun, so I want to do that as well. Next, I have go to LA. I was actually supposed to go to LA last year, and then everything with quarantine started, so I actually ended up canceling my trip just to be safe, but hopefully one day I hope to go to LA. Next, I have Pliables and acai. Pliables is just one of the most trendiest things in the summer, I feel like, and I don't know, I just thought that that was something good to add onto my list. Next, I have go to the zoo. I don't know, I just love looking at animals. I think they're so cute, and especially because I want to take my cousin, and I think he would really like that. Next, I have a bonfire and s'mores. I love sitting outside at night by my fire pit and just having a bonfire and making s'mores. Next, I have to surf. I want to learn how to surf so bad, so hopefully I could do that as well. Next, I have go to the city. Going to the city is something that I dream about doing every single year because it's so fun. I like going in the winter, and I also like going in the summer because it's such a different vibe, so I'm really excited about that as well. Next, I have to go on a date. I want to go on a date so bad. Next, I have to dance. I love dancing, so just wanted to put that on here as well. Next, I have late night walks. This is one of the most peaceful things ever, especially if I'm like listening to music with my friends. I don't know, I just find that so peaceful. Next, I have to make art. That's just something I like to do because I like being creative. Next, I have to go to the diner at 12 a.m. in the morning. I don't know why I wrote at 12 a.m. in the morning, but I just think that this would be so fun, so that's the next thing. Next, I have to make my dreams my reality. I am determined to make my dreams my reality, and I won't stop until I get there, so that's what I'm going to do as well. The next thing I have is something that I used to do when I was little that actually never actually happened, like becoming a thing, but I used to write music all the time, and I would never actually sing the songs to anyone, but I love actually creating music, so I want to write a new song about something that I recently went through in life, and I think it would be really cool. Not saying that I'm going to release it, but I mean, if it turns out good, then that's always a possibility. Next, I have to create a new fun summer playlist. I love throwback songs, especially in the summer when you're driving to the beach or on a road trip. I think it's so fun to listen to new songs and have a new playlist, so that's the next thing I'm going to do. And throwback playlists are just one of my favorite things ever, so I might be making a video soon on my new playlist. The next thing I have is to have cotton candy, watermelon, and popcorn. I don't know, I felt like these were just summer foods because it reminded me of a carnival, and carnivals usually come around during the spring and summer, so that's why I put that on here. Next, I have documenting. Like I said, I want to get a lot more videos out. I want to create things that I'm happy about and only post good quality content and just take more pictures, post more TikToks, be more active on Pinterest, and just post more videos that I really like with my editing and everything like that. Next, I have to camp. Camping is just something I always wanted to try. I don't know, I think it would be fun, especially to go with my friends. Next, I have to have a spa day. Spa days are so important because it's always important to take time for yourself, so that's what I also like doing. Next, I have chalk. I love drawing with chalk on my driveway, so that's just something I would do as well. I don't know, I think it's really, really fun, and I don't know, I'm excited for that as well. Next, I have late night drives. Driving is something that I just feel like is so fun in the summer because you can have all the windows down and just have the nice summer fresh air hit your face and listen to music, and I don't know, I just think it's so fun. Next, I have to paint rocks. This is something that I saw on Pinterest that I thought was so cute. And the last thing that I have, or the last two things that I have, is to have the best summer ever and to be me. The most important thing that I want to do is learn to be myself and not really care what anyone thinks about it. I think that that's really important, and you should always be yourself, and just remember that the true people that like you will like you for you, and to always be yourself. And just remember that because it's always important to, I don't know, remember that and learn to love yourself. But with all that being said, that's everything that's on my summer bucket list. I'm so excited to try and complete some of these things, and hopefully at the end of summer I will be able to post a video of me completing some, if not most, of my bucket list. And with all that being said, be sure to go check out Megan's channel. She is literally so sweet and makes really good content, and I think you guys will love her as well. I know that this video is posted a little early given the fact that it's not even spring yet. It'll be spring next week, or actually in a couple days, but I just thought it would be a good idea to post this video early to give you guys as much ideas as you need and just to get in the summer spirit. I don't know, I really like doing that, so that's why I'm posting this video so early. With all that being said, if you guys did end up liking this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what's on your bucket list for this summer, because when you interact with my videos, it really does help me and my channel grow, and I try my best to respond to every single comment because I love all of you guys and I literally love chatting with you all. But with all that being said, also be sure to subscribe and join the family because that would be awesome, and so you don't miss any other videos. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.